You're watching CBS 5. Now, Eyewitness News.
Well, the demand is much greater than the supply. Up next, where Bay Area residents are lining up today for flu vaccine. Around the Bay Area, most large businesses which had been giving out flu vaccines have run out of their supplies. But some smaller businesses that had supplies were well-kept secrets. Not many people knew that Morpheus' rejuvenation studio in San Jose was offering shots. Turnout there was small until the word began spreading.
We only had about 17 on Friday, and then yesterday we had about 32. But today you can see they've been here since early this morning. We have a limited supply like everyone, and we're trying to serve as many seniors as we can at this time.
Managers are expected to run out of the vaccine today. They are giving the shots according to CDC guidelines.